Don't miss this vehicle. Make a great choice today with this must-have ride. Learn more about this vehicle by contacting the dealership today and complete your driving dreams. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, panoramic roof, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, daytime running lights, LED headlights, front disc rear drum brakes. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.